How to make unlimited Brawl Stars account using just one email. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Brawl Stars, and after that simply click on the burger icon or the three lines at the top right hand side corner, and here click on this option of connect at the bottom, and here just click on this option of register a Supercell ID. Now type your email address. So the trick is that whenever you do this, right before @ signs, just simply type +1, +2 and +3 or whatever number you can use, and all the emails will be going to the same email address that you are using. So this way you can create unlimited accounts using just one email address, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.